Hey guys, just like I promised, I am back today with a makeup tutorial. So if you guys watched my last video, if you didn't, then make sure you guys check it out. I'll leave a link somewhere here on the screen. But if you guys did, then you guys know that I was talking about doing this makeup tutorial for you guys because I've been loving how my makeup has been turning out lately. So I am here and I am back to give you guys that tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so my skin is already prepped and ready to go. The only thing that I used for my skin was moisturizer, sunscreen, and then a little bit of primer. So for moisturizer, I use the Red Bean Water Gel by Beauty of Joseon, this one right here. Then for my sunscreen, obviously I use the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics sunscreen. And then for my primer, I used the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. You guys know this one. This is like an OG makeup product. This one right here. This one I only use a tiny bit right here under my eyes and on my cheeks. I don't use it all over my face. I used to use it all over my face, but now not really. I feel like I just really need it on my cheeks and under my eyes. But okay, so now let's just get my hair out of the way. So I always leave my skincare, my skin prep on my skin for at least 5 minutes before I go in with foundation. I just feel like it makes my foundation look better. I don't know if it's just all in my head, but I swear it does something that it just makes it look better. So now that my skin is ready and set to go, now we are gonna go in with foundation. So for foundation, I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. This one is super full coverage. If you guys know, you know. I just go in with a tiny bit. I try to not go in with that much. So I go in with my little spatula. All I do is grab this much. I hope you guys can see. I feel like this is a little too much still, but it'll work. I'll put it right here in the back of my hand. This much. Oh, sorry, I didn't even say the shade. The shade that I go in with right now is 4N2 Spice Sand. This is like my summer shade. It's getting a little, I feel like I'm already getting a little lighter, so it might not be my exact shade, but it still works. So I go in with a makeup brush. I swear makeup brushes are like, they're just way better. If you guys like using the sponge, trust me, I used to love using my beauty sponge for everything, but now that I use like makeup brushes for literally every single step of my makeup, it just comes out so much better. So I definitely recommend you guys to try out makeup brushes if you guys haven't. This one is the Blurring Foundation Brush AA3 by Smashbox. I have my makeup right here on my hand. I just feel like it warms it up and it just lays on so much better. So I just grab a little bit with my finger and I just start in the outer part of my face. Let me get my makeup rag. And then we just start blending. See how this brush just immediately blends everything? Literally like that, done. You guys see? Okay, so I just keep doing this till I get all my face. I like to go in the outer parts of my face first. I feel like whenever you go in the center with a lot of makeup, it just tends to look cakey. So that's why I always leave the center of my face for last. Okay, so the outer part of our face is done. And now I just go in with a tiny bit and just get right here, my nose, my mustache, the red on my nose because of my glasses. Okay, and then whatever is left on our brush, we can just go in and blend down our neck. Okay, now that foundation is on, this is what we're looking like. Super cute. Okay, now I can go in with the rest of my cream products. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna use the Merit Bronzer Balm. This is in the shade Leo. I just warm it up in the back of my hand a little bit. Go in on my forehead. Warm it up again, go on my nose, warm it up again, go on my eyes, and then right here, like my, what's this called? Temples. Is it temples? I don't know why I feel like it's wrong right now. I don't know, but right here, you guys see. Okay, so whatever I have left on my hand, I just go in with this brush. This is the Morphe X Ariel A58 brush. And just dab it. And then dab my cheeks. I just try to really focus my bronzer right here. I try to not bring it down that much. Then whatever is on our brush, we just take it and blend our nose. Then the forehead. And then my eyelids and my temple. Oops. Oh my god, you guys see my makeup is just everywhere. My hair is just everywhere. Okay, then whatever is left on my brush, I just get my ears. So it just, you know, blends everything together, and then my neck. Okay, now I can go in with my cream blush, and for my blush, I use the Merit Blush Balm in Persimmon. I love this shade. It's just a super red shade. It just looks so good. For that, I'm using the Cream and Liquid Blush Brush M201 by Morphe. I just dab it on my blush a little bit and then go in the apples of my cheeks. Well, right here. Is it the apples of my cheek? Okay, so now I just go in and kind of make a W with my blush. Really focusing the pigment right here. And then a little bit on my chin. Okay, I feel like I want a little more. I probably have blush blindness, but honestly, I don't care. Now that we are done with the bronzer and the blush, we can go in with concealer. For concealer, I go in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Sugar Biscuit 3.5N. I'm just gonna do a little bit on the back of my hand. I've just been adding all my makeup products, like if I can, I'll add them to the back of my hand. I just feels like when it warms it up, it just makes the product lay on so much better. I'm gonna tell you guys which powder I use just because I'm gonna go like in right after, so I might as well tell you guys right now. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder, the regular one. I haven't tried the talc-free one. I've heard kind of like mixed reviews about it, so I'm kind of scared. But I'm just gonna put a little bit on the little tapa of my powder, and then I'm gonna be using a little makeup puff for my powder. Okay, back to concealer. So with a little brush, this is Morphe X Ariel A19 brush. I'm just gonna grab a tiny bit of concealer and start right here, then bring it up. Then whatever is left, I kind of put it on my nose because my nose is like super red right now, you guys. I was wearing my glasses, so my nose is really red. Okay, now to blend my concealer, I am gonna be using the Hourglass concealer brush. You guys know this one. People really rave about this brush, and they're definitely right. I love this brush. It's so good. It just blends everything together so seamlessly. Okay, so like this. Perfectly blended. Now I can go back in with my brush and just do this side of my face. Okay, so same placement. Okay, so this is what we have right now. I still have some concealer left in the back of my hand, so I'm gonna grab a little more and just go in on my forehead. Okay, and then grab a little more and go right here, sides of my nose, and then my chin. Try to really get my mustache. Perfect. And honestly, I still have a little bit of concealer, so whatever is left, I'm gonna grab it and just kind of carve out my brows, just a tiny bit. They don't need to be that carved out. I just want like a little bit of brightening under my brow, so like that, and then grab a little more. Okay, now that we have this, I can finally go in and set my face. So I already told you guys what powder I use is the Laura Mercier translucent powder, the regular one, and I'm gonna use a powder puff. Okay, so I make sure everything is nice and blended. Now I grab a little bit of powder, smooth it out on the back of my hand, then go straight in. Now that it's nice and set, I'm gonna go back in with powder, just smooth it out a little bit, and then go back in under my eye to kind of bake a little bit. like this. Not that much powder, I just go in with a little bit extra. Then I'll grab a little more powder, blend it out again. Well, smooth it out again, and then set my forehead. Grab more powder, smooth it out again. Okay, now that we have our face set, now I can keep going with my powders. So for powder bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and Deep Bronzer. To apply it, I'm gonna use the Morphe X Ariel A21 brush. So I'm pretty much just placing it in the same spots that I place my cream bronzer. Okay, now for blush, I'm gonna go in with the UVS Place Blush Volume 2 with the pink shade right here. And for the brush, I'm gonna be using the Morphe B106 brush. I love this blush brush. It's just so nice and small. It gives you like the perfect blush. Lightly go on my nose, just the tip of my nose right here, my chin. This is the Viso Rubor in 20 Coral. This one is a blush, but honestly I feel like I kind of see it as a blush slash highlight. It has like these gold specks and it just makes my skin look so dewy. Did I even tell you guys what brush this is? This is the Morphe X Ariel A22 brush. Okay, so we are done with the base. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyes. So for my eyes, I've been kind of doing like a simple but smoky kind of eye look. So, oh, I didn't even tell you guys what palette. I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 3 palette. And I'm gonna use this shade right here. So I'm just gonna lay this color on all my lid, over all my lid. Okay, so like this, and then grab a little bit more color and do the same to the other eye. Okay, now I am gonna go in with a little brush. It's a little bit smaller. It's still fluffy, but a little smaller. And I'm gonna go in with this one right here. Just gonna grab a little tiny bit and just kind of smoke it out in my outer V. Okay, so like this. You guys see. Okay, now with a little smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with the same color that we went in with the first one. And I'm gonna go in on my bottom lash line. And the same thing for the other eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe X Ariel A18 brush. It's literally super small and super thin. Look at it. It's perfect. So I go in with this dark brown shade right here. I literally grab the tiniest bit because these shadows are super pigmented. And I kind of create a mini wing. Okay, now we are done with the eye look. It's literally just super simple and smoky, but it looks really good. It looks like you really tried. So that's a plus. Now I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in Ebony. And just a small angled brush. I go in with the lighter shade and just lightly set and fill in our brows. Now brows are lightly filled in. Cute. Now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is a mini one, and I'm pretty sure this is not the new one. This is just the regular brow gel that they had. I think the new one that they have is like way stronger, but honestly I'm kind of scared because this brow gel is already like strong, so I don't know. Okay, now that we have our face done, I think all we have left is our lip combo and then our lashes, so I can finally set my face. So to set my face, I go in with two setting sprays. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna know which ones they are. The first one is the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray, and then the second one is the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. These two together, I mean, on their own, they're really good, but together, they're just wow. First, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay one. I just go in with a light Now we go in with the e.l.f. I love it when I do my setting spray because I feel like that just like melts everything together and everything just ends up looking so good. This is what we have now, guys. Cute. Okay, now we can finally go in with curling our lashes and applying mascara. So for my eyelash curler, if you guys want to know, it's Lily Lashes. It doesn't say a name or anything, but just Lily Lashes. It's just regular black curling lash thing. And then for mascara, I go in with the Prosa Mascara 4 en 1 Profesional, the black one. I love this one so much. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this off camera really quick, and then I'll be back so we can do the lip combo together, and then we'll be done. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, we are back and lashes are nice and coated. Okay, so now we can finally do our lips and finish the makeup look. So for lips, I think today I'm gonna do something matte. So for my lip liner, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in Sandstone. I love this shade so much. Okay, lip liner is on. So for our lips, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet in the shade Crush. I love these. I know like girlies are not really into matte anymore, but these just, I don't know. I started to make my lips seem like I got like lip filler or something. Maybe it's just me, but I swear they look really good. Okay, and I'm pretty sure this is it. Do you guys like it? It looks so good. I really wish, I don't know, should I give you guys like a angle from my camera with like flash so you guys can see? Because you know, this camera is good, but if you guys just see how it looks in real life. Where's the flash? Oh my god, hold on. Flash not on. Okay, let me just give you guys, I'll try to film the best I can, but it just looks so good. You guys are really lucky that I'm letting you guys see that, because that is not my angle at all, but I don't care. I'm still gonna show you guys because I really want you guys to see how it looks like in real life, and that is the best way that I can show you guys. This is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. I loved filming it for you guys. Literally, I swear I did it so quick, and I kept thinking, is there anything that I'm forgetting or anything that I actually forgot, because it went by too fast. But I guess that's how it is whenever you are enjoying what you are doing. So yeah. Oh, I forgot. I still had my pasadores on. I'm like, why do I feel like there's still something missing? Do you guys like it? Oh my god, I really hope you guys really like it, because I really like it. It looks really good. I promise you guys, if you guys try it out, you guys will love it. Okay, like I said, I'm pretty sure this is it for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, because I really loved loved filming it for you guys. Honestly, it just makes me so happy. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you guys did, then please make sure to give this video a like, and if you're not already, then please make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up, and I really hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.